another video. You're watching Fun Songs out here with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about a variant which is none other than Galaxy Note 10.1 out here. Yes, talking about 10.1, we can say that this variant was quite a different version, and the name 10.1 was given because of the size of this variant. You can see yes, the size was 10.1 inches out there, so the name was 10.1. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers a perfect note out there as well as tablet kind of we can say look. Yes. If we talk about look, if we talk about everything about this variant, then we can say that Samsung Galaxy Note 10 was something which we have seen out. It gives you a more feel of a tablet. If you have seen Apple's tablet either or iPad out here, so it gives a feel of that. It was released out in back then 2012 and was it's weight we don't know whether to say heavy or light because according to the size and the inbuilt functionalities, it was light. But as compared to other Note series out here, it was definitely heavy version out here. So it weighs about 600 grams out there. Yes, 600 grams is the weightage of this variant. As well as you will get to see a stylus that is absolutely mandatory with Note series out here. Offering you a screen size of 10.1 inches screen, we can say that this offers you a good visualizations and everything. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can see that this stylus helps to check out all the specifications. As well as it has got PLS capital touch screening. Yes, PSL capital touch screening with Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Yes, if you know 10.1, if we talk about this, you will get this time. This is not TFT along with that. It is PLS capital touch screening. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a good version of platforms inbuilt in it. If we talk about the platforms in Samsung Galaxy Note 10, then we can say that it offers you Android 4. Yes, Android 4 is inbuilt in it. Along with that, you get to upgrade it up to Android 4.4 out there. Yes, so things can be upgraded out there. Having an ISCO and an octa-core processing system, they work with collaborating along with. So we can say overall the internal platform is quite good. But what did go well with the audience, or we can say, what was that one thing which didn't go well? Was the size only. Majorly the size, because there were a lot of expectations with the heavy weighted size. अगर size बड़ा होता तो बहुत सारी expectations आ जाती हैं. So that didn't go well with the audience. As it offers you about 5 megapixel rear camera and 1.9 megapixel selfie camera. So this didn't go actually well with the audience. This was the major drawback to this. Whereas when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you different variety in the storage capacity. We talk like 16 GB is there, 32 GB and 64 GB. Three different variants can be seen. 64, 32, 16 GB, all the three variants will be seen out there. And when we talk about these three variants, when we talk about the internal storage capacity, we cannot forget to mention that it has got 2 GB RAM inbuilt in it. 2 GB RAM is also inbuilt in it, so we can never forget about it. As well as when we talk about this variant, actually the users need a lot of storage capacity when they are using a bigger phone or any bigger device, because they do a lot of things on it. And now when they have a Note of about 10 in screen size, then we can say that expandability is required. So expandability is given to this variant of approximately up to 64 or 128 GB. Yes, you can have expandability out there. As well as when we talk about Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1 out there, then we cannot forget to mention about the battery, because battery plays a very vital role. Any gadget, not just one like just iPads or iPhones or notes, but every gadget, either it's phone, laptop, PC, anything, battery plays a very vital role in any gadget. And when we talk about battery, you can see that it has got 7000 mAh battery. Yes, 7000 mAh battery, and it provides you up to 33 hours talk time? Yes, 33 hours talk time is not less out there. So when we say this kind of things, you will get to see that this has all the specifications which a phone have. Yes, a phone have all the specifications and have all the like connectivities, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot, every connectivity or accelerometer sensitivities out there. So every internal function built in it is representing the phone specifications. No, it is not the tablet or any iPad. These kind of conditions are not seen. Only the external look resembles to iPad or tablet, we can say, but the functionality tells us that it is a phone. So phablet, it could be considered as a phablet also if you want, but the functionality will be a phone, but look will be something like a tablet. We can consider as a phablet also. So now let us consider this phablet and take it to the site where it is available with a very amazing price. So this is the site I'm talking about and the site name is PhoneZone.ae. When we talk about this site, the name of the site is Phone Zone. That is the zone or a place where you get to see n number of gadgets. And not just gadgets from one brand, but n number of brands are out there. This search icon also helps you to search a favorite gadget out here. So I have written Note 10.1 out here. So let us see about these specifications. And when we talk about this gadget, we can see that this gadget has all the specifications mentioned out here. Whatever we have discussed out is mentioned over in the description box. As well as you get to see that there is a condition written on the top that is refurbished. So let us talk about refurbished and see how is it different from others. Talking about refurbished products or brand new products, we can say that refurbished products are quite same or quite similar as a brand new. As the word itself says that refurbished means creating something new like this. Refurbished means creating something new like, and that can be seen out here in this word itself that furbished is new like and re means again. So something new like again we can say. Or we can also say that refurbished and brand new are very correlated out here. They are correlated. How they are correlated? They have the same structurality, functionalities, as well as they have the same criteria of tests. Yeah, it clearly means मतलब जो brand new के लिए हम test include करते हैं वही test हम refurbished के लिए भी include करते हैं. Overall, we can say that this is one of the feature which is same as brand new and refurbished. Moving on, we can tell that refurbished and brand new crosses the same path but with slight difference. And the difference lies out as this is the major pathway out here and this is how the difference lies. There is a base. We all have a base. Base can be anything out here, anything. It can be either your company user, anything, but base is originally the one which gives you a great amount of, you can say, structurality out there, or the base is something which helps you to know where that product has been originated out. Then comes the mediator, and the mediator is something which helps you to know about the place where it is being collaborated. मतलब base हो गया हमारा original place, अब उसके बाद कहाँ से हम उसे collect कर सकते हैं, from where we can collaborate with it or we can collect it. That is the mediator out here. And then comes the consumer. Consumers are like us or the company, anything who uses that gadget, that product out here. So that is the consumer out here. So talking about these three parameters, the brand new or the refurbished ones have a very slight difference. Base in brand new is the company, the original company out here which launches that product, that gadget in the market for the very first time. For the very first time it is being launched out here. And then the marketplace is the mediator. They launch into the market, then the marketplace has a lot of distributors out there. There are n number of distributors, n number of parameters out there. It is going. There's a big chain out there. So in short, we can say that marketplace is a mediator out there. Then comes the consumer, which are the users like us. We use that market product out here, that gadget from the company to the marketplace which has been launched. We use that. Whereas when we talk about refurbished, then this chain is slightly different. The difference lies out that the user in the brand new, मतलब जो user था brand new का, the consumer becomes the base out here. Yes, the user becomes the base out here, and that gadget is pre-owned, that has been used once, that could be considered not like brand new, but brand new like that could be like brand new, but not brand new. So then it is again sent back to the mediator. There can be another different. This is a different marketplace now. This marketplace uses the pre-owned phones. These tests are done on a particular site out here, on a particular page, or we can say at a particular place. All the tests are being done. जो टेस्ट ब्रांड न्यू के लिए अलग अलग जगह पे होते थे, the test which used to be done in number of sites, they are done at a particular site itself, or where the product has been given back or is exchanged out here. So that is the market. Now the tests have been done. Now it has been verified. It is ready to relaunch itself on that site with a new condition that is refurbished. So the new consumer is the new user who gets this gadget out there. जो gadget मिला है वो use करता है. This is what refurbished is all about. Now talking about refurbished, we can say that refurbished and brand new process the same parameters, like they have the same parameters which are in the external or internal factors. If we talk about the internal factors, there are like the operating system, processor out here, SIM recognition, data connectivity, data wiping, colorization out here. You can have your internal parts like CPU, GPU, NFS, infrared, code accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, everything which has been inbuilt in it, all the inbuilt processes out there. Whereas the external parameters includes the parameters which we see through our eyes or can be easily checked out, like these display, buttons, camera, audio, video, battery life, battery charger out here, scratches, color out there of the gadget or the design, the display, everything out there. जो हम आंखों से देख सकते हैं, all the external factors. Now these external internal factors combines to have 29 parameters overall, big 29 parameters. They might have some parameters out there, check each and everything. Now when they have been checked, these are the same factors which we use in the brand new and in the refurbished. They are absolutely same. For brand new, what all we check? Specifications like what is the screen size, how is the display, how the color of it, camera कैसा है, audio is good or not, whether the SIM is good or not, the SIM can be used out here or not, battery life, if battery is charging or not, camera quality, audio quality, connectivity is out here, everything is same what we check in brand. Now when we are done with this checking, this testing out there, then gadget is given a certificate that has a quality check, that is premium quality and is good to service out there, and then it is certified and named as refurbished or certified refurbished. Anything, both the names are same, they both stand for the same certification. Then we can say that these are absolutely ready to go further use, and the consumer can now have this on the particular site they have tested out. Now moving on, what are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new? Let us move ahead with that. Because there are few benefits which you get from refurbished products, like having your favorite gadget in a profitable rate. Yes, why we say so profitable rates? Generally, brand new products are quite expensive for most of the users and are not able to afford them. So the refurbished products, which are actually pre-owned ones, can be reused out here with the same condition which are being tested out, are absolutely newly like, but now they are in a profitable rate. Now they are in profitable rates. So these profitable rates allow you to have a savings. Yes, you get to have a saving also, and when we have savings, we can say that saving is great amount of here. Like savings plays a very important and vital role. We already know that brand new products have a warranty period, warranty life of 1 year, but we offer you refurbished products with 6 months warranty. Yes. Refurbished products usually have 6 months warranty out here, and you get to have that over here. As well as when we talk about refurbished products, you get to have 7 exchange policy. 7 exchange policy is also here, so you can get your favorite product 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy, because if you do not find your product worth it and have not been checked, not verified out here, so you get to have exchange policy also. So let us go ahead and back to the site where we were talking about and see how is it different from other and whether it offers the same thing or not. So we are back on the site, and as we already know, the site name is Phone Zone. Phone itself, phone zone itself means it's a zone of phone or a place where abundance of phone can be seen out here. And talking about this variant, we can say that this is a category all mobile phone which offers you n number of brands out here. As we were talking about refurbished products, so we can see that this offers you 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy also. So you can guarantee that refurbished products have a 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. Along with that, you get to have COD and free shipping written over here. So you get to have free shipping and COD. Free shipping is like 48 hours delivery time for most parts of UAE, and within Saudi, it might take up to a week. Yes, it might take up to a week, but most of the parts of UAE have 48 hours delivery time. For best pricing, visit out the website which has on the Google you can type phonezone.ae, or you can go on the description link and check out that. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.